Good morning, everyone. Dear student, in last lecture, we also discussed about causes of poverty in our country. In today's lecture, we also discuss about anti-poverty measures by the Indian government. Dear student, we also aware about Indian government also take many steps, make many schemes to remove poverty in our country. So removal of poverty has been one of the major objective of Indian developmental strategy. According to this strategy, the current anti-poverty strategy of the government is based on broadly on the two पलक दो मुद्दों पे बेस्ड है बेटा प्रमोशन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ सेकंड targeted anti-poverty programs. So dear student, Indian government also specially focus on promotion of economic growth over a period of the 30 year lasting up to the early 80s 1950 to 1980s, after independence, there were little per capita income growth and the not much reduction in the poverty. Student, we also aware about in starting phase 1950 to 1930. In this 30 year, in our country, poverty not reduced due to different kind of causes also responsible. Obviously, poverty estimated which were about 45% in early 1950 remained the same even the early 80s. 45% poverty ratio in our country in 1950. Same ratio in next 30 year. अगले 30 साल तक सेम रेशो चलता रहा वही 45% आपका रहा since the 80s Indian economic growth has been one of the fastest in the world. In 1980s, after 1980s, economic growth also start in our country and this is the fastest growth rate all over world. पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज्यादा जो ग्रोथ रेट 1980s में इंडिया में हुआ. The growth rate jumped from the average of about 3.5% a year in the 1970. In 1970, in our country, growth rate is be just 3.5%. In 1980s and 1990, growth rate also jumped 3.5% to 6%. So this is the highest growth rate in economic sector in our country. And during that time is the highest growth rate in the world. So dear student, we also aware about the highest growth rate has helped to significantly in the reduction of the poverty. जब ग्रोथ रेट बढ़ेगी पॉवर्टी अपने आप से रिड्यूस होना स्टार्ट होगी. सो वी आल्सो अवेयर अबाउट अकॉर्डिंग टू इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ आल्सो गिव द अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड प्रोवाइडेड टू द रिसोर्सेज नीडेड टू इन्वेस्ट इन द ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट. जैसे ही हमारे यहाँ पे इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ आएगी न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज आएंगी. डिफरेंट जो हमारे पास इन्वेस्टर हैं जो हमारे बिजनेसमैन हैं वो इन्वेस्ट करेंगे इन डिफरेंट फील्ड्स. Government also start to be investing in education and health system. So directly effect also goes on reduce the poverty. So this is the one of important target of Indian government to reduce poverty according to promotion of economic growth. But we also aware about in our country highly population. So this type of system not to be provided to every person. Poor also face different kind of problem. So government also targeted anti-poverty programs also. तो ये तो इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ है जिससे रिसोर्सेज इंक्रीज हुए हैं. इसका जो इफेक्ट है वो पुअर पे सभी पुअर्स को इसके बेनिफिट्स नहीं मिले. सो गवर्नमेंट आल्सो डिसाइडेड टू स्टार्ट एंटी पॉवर्टी प्रोग्राम्स. सो कौन से प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो गवर्नमेंट ने स्टार्ट किए हैं? लेट्स बी डिस्कस. फर्स्ट, नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट नरेगा 2005. Dear student, this is the most important scheme, most important work of Indian government. And this scheme also started in 2005, September 2005. This act provided 100 days assured employment every year to every rural household in 200 districts. In 2005, government also targeted 200 districts in our country. In 200 district, government also provided work, 100 days work in a year to every household person. जो भी घर में गरीब है, जो भी पर्सन है गांव में जो गरीब घर हैं, उन सभी में ये फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड किया गया. लेटर द स्कीम विल बी एक्सटेंडेड टू 600 डिस्ट्रिक्ट. बाद में स्कीम को 600 अलग डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में स्टार्ट कर दिया गया. सो दिस स्कीम्स आल्सो स्टार्टेड in 2005 and benefits of this scheme also almost to every person. In this scheme, one third of the job would to be reserved for women. जो स्कीम है इसमें वन थर्ड जो आपकी जॉब्स हैं वो वुमेन्स के लिए रिजर्व किया गया. सो दिस स्कीम्स आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड हेल्प टू वुमेन्स आल्सो. द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट विल आल्सो एस्टैब्लिश नेशनल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी फंड. इसमें जो फंड मिलेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू बी नेशनल गवर्नमेंट, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट and similarly state government will to be established state employment guarantee fund for the implementation of this scheme. State government भी इसमें fund provide करवाएगी. And under the program if any applicant is not provided to employment within 15 days he and she will to be entirely to the daily unemployment allowance. अगर किसी भी पर्सन को 15 डेज तक काम नहीं मिलता तो गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से उसको फाइनेंशियली सपोर्ट किया जाएगा. एंड लेटर ऑन वन ऑफ स्कीम आल्सो इम्प्लीमेंट एंड आल्सो मर्ज इन दिस स्कीम. नेम ऑफ सेकंड स्कीम इज बी नेशनल फूड फॉर वर्क प्रोग्राम. दिस स्कीम आल्सो लॉन्च इन 2004 and in 150 most backward district of the country. Later on, these schemes also merge with NREGA, National Food for Work Program. काम के बदले अनाज. बाद में उस स्कीम को नरेगा स्कीम के साथ अटैच कर दिया गया. So dear student, according to this scheme and work for food program, both schemes also help to poor rural household worker and give to be job opportunities to unskilled manual worker also. जिनके पास कोई स्किल नहीं है उनको भी ये स्कीम्स के अकॉर्डिंग उनको फाइनेंशियली हेल्प किया गया. नेक्स्ट स्कीम इज बी प्रधानमंत्री रोजगार योजना. PMRY is another important scheme. This scheme started in 1993. Main aim of this program is be create self-employment opportunities for the educated unemployed youth in rural areas and small towns. According to this scheme, government also financially help to educated peoples in village and town also. Government also motivated educated peoples also start their self work. So government also give to be different kind of opportunities. They also help to be setting up small business and industry. So according to this scheme, main motive, government also want to reduce poverty in our country. We also aware about in our country, many educated peoples in village and town, they are not able to get sufficient job according to education. So government also start to be one of the most important scheme, प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना. कि जो आदमी पढ़े लिखे हैं जिनको जॉब नहीं मिला वो गवर्नमेंट जो उनको हेल्प करती है उससे अपना खुद का रोजगार स्टार्ट करे. दिस स्कीम स्टार्टेड इन 1993. Another important scheme started by Indian government, Rural Employment Generation Programs, REGP. This scheme also launched in 1995. The aim of this program is to create self-employment opportunities in rural self-employment, especially in rural area and small town. Starting phase, according to this scheme, government also targeted 25 lakh new job opportunities in 10-year government programs. So this scheme also started in rural and small town. Starting phase, government targeted 25 lakh job opportunities to educated to skilled person. Next and important scheme is the स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना SGSY. This scheme also launched in 1999. The program aimed at to this scheme poor family above the poverty line by the organizing them into self-help groups through a mix of the bank credit and government subsidy. So according to this scheme, government also give to be some financial support. In our village community, poor people also start their self work and government also give to be subsidy. Government ने उनको subsidy भी provide किया है. Another important scheme is the प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामोदय योजना PMGY. This scheme also launched in 2000. According to this scheme is the additional central assistance to be given to the state for the basic services such as the primary health, primary education, rural shelter, rural drinking water, and rural electrification. This is the main target of this scheme कि गांव में अच्छे पानी की फैसिलिटीज होना, शेल्टर उनके लिए, गांव की जो पुअर फैमिलीज हैं उनके लिए घर की फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड करना. सो ये गांव में पब्लिक हेल्थ सेंटर स्टेब्लिश करवाना. दिस इज द मेन ऑफ दिस स्कीम, गांव को डेवलप बनाना. एंड दिस इज द अनदर इम्पोर्टेंट स्कीम इज द अंत्योदय अन्न योजना AAY. This scheme also started in 2000. Main aim of this scheme is be provided to be according to be name Antyodaya Anna Yojana, अन्न provide करना. So this scheme main target according to be this scheme below poverty line BPL card holder 25 kilogram of the food grain were made to be available to each eligible family at the highly subsidy rate of 2 rupees per kg wheat. इस स्कीम के अकॉर्डिंग जो गांव में पर्सन है उनको 2 रुपीज पर केजी के हिसाब से व्हीट प्रोवाइड करना एंड 3 रुपीज पर केजी अकॉर्डिंग टू बी 3 रुपीज पर केजी आल्सो टू बी प्रोवाइडेड rice also. So this scheme also implemented in our country to reduce poverty. Many another schemes also started by government. We also aware about Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. This scheme also started in 1989. We also aware about Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. This scheme started by BJP in June 2015. According to this scheme, they also want to provide shelter home to every poor peoples in our country. And government also targeted near about 2 crore housing facilities also provided in, up to 2022. 22 तक गवर्नमेंट का टारगेट है कि 2 करोड़ से ज्यादा जो घर हैं वो पुअर फैमिलीज को प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे. And latest scheme also started. We also aware about Ayushman Bharat Yojana. We also aware about this scheme ABY. And this scheme also started by BJP. This scheme also related to the healthcare system. According to this scheme, government also provided 5 lakh rupees health insurance to every person. According to this scheme, government also targeted to achieve 10 crore peoples, targeted to be 10 crore peoples according to these schemes कि 10 करोड़ से ज्यादा जो फैमिलीज हैं वो इस स्कीम्स के अकॉर्डिंग इसके अंदर उनको इंक्लूड किया जाए. So dear student, we are aware about many schemes also started by government to reduce poverty in our country. Next part, the challenge ahead. We are also aware about government also face different kind of challenges. Challenges that still remain: providing healthcare, education, and job security for all, and achieving to the gender equality and dignity for the peoples, poor peoples also. And there will be even bigger task. Student, we also aware about this is the big challenge in our country: providing healthcare system, education, job security, and another important challenge in Indian society, because we also aware about Indian society is also divided according to caste system. So in our society, every people not treat equally. And in our society, according to the gender discrimination, women's not treated equally. So this is the main challenge in front of government to remove this kind of system in our society to provide facilities to every person. The challenge also by big to the programs, poverty reducing remain India is the most compelling challenge. ये सबसे important challenge है इंडिया में poverty को reduce करना. Why disparity in poverty are visible between the rural and urban areas and among the different states. We are so aware about in our country. Poverty is also is be different in rural and urban areas. Of course, we also aware about many job opportunities also available in urban area. शहर में हमारे पास job opportunities है, गांव में ऐसी facilities नहीं है. In this chapter, we also studies about two different story. Ram Saran and Lakha Singh, both are belong to be one belong to be city and second belong to be village. तो ये भी एक चैलेंज है इंडिया में कि गांव में जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं है. And we also aware about difference between poverty in our country according to state to state. We also aware about poverty ratio in Haryana is be 11%, in Bihar near about 33%. So ये भी एक challenge है. Certain social and economic group are more vulnerable to poverty, and we also aware about in our society. Some is group also they also feel unsafe in Indian society. उनको प्रॉब्लम फेस करना पड़ता है बिकॉज दे आर डिस्क्रिमिनेट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. पास्ट से ही फ्रॉम द एंशियंट टाइम दे आल्सो डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड, स्पेशली SC, ST and women. So this is another important challenge in front of government. Poverty reduction is being expected to make better program in the next 10 to 15 years. So this is government, this is government target to be make this is government challenge to be target next 10 to 15 years to reduce poverty in our country, make better program. And these programs, these schemes also reach to every person. Implementation also according to the government कि implement भी हो. This is not enough to make it schemes. This is important. This scheme also reach to every person. वो स्कीम बनना ही इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, उसको हर पर्सन तक पहुंचना, नीडी पर्सन तक पहुंचना, ये भी एक इंपॉर्टेंट आपके पास टास्क होना चाहिए. So this would to be possible mainly due to the higher economic growth, increase stress onto the universal free elementary education, declining to the population growth, increasing empowerment to the women's and to the economically weaker section of the society. So especially government also targeted, government also start to be universal and elementary education, सभी को education provide करे, and government also start a different kind of schemes to reduce poverty, decline population also, because population is the main challenge in our country. जो population है वो भी एक बड़ा challenge है इंडिया में poverty का. So government also make different kind of strategy to control population and increase empowerment of women. Women को power दिया जाए. Of course, government also reserved 33% seats in government sector. This scheme also implemented in private zone also, in private sector also. So if women also come into power, of course effect on poverty. अगर women को power दिया गया, poverty पे effect आएगा. Economical weaker section of the society, जो economical weaker section है, of course government also reserved seats for economical weaker section. So these schemes also implemented according to the government norms. We also aware about this is the most important person in the world. This person also give a best view about poverty. Poverty is not an accident like slavery and apartheid. It is man-made and can be removed by the action of the human being. जो poverty है कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं है, एक्सीडेंटल नहीं है. लाइक एज पर स्लेवरी एंड अपार्थाइड जो रंगभेद पॉलिसी थी, दिस इज मैन मेड एंड पॉवर्टी आल्सो रिमूव्ड विद द एक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग. पॉवर्टी खत्म हो सकता है विद द एफर्ट्स ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड गवर्नमेंट. इफ गवर्नमेंट आल्सो टारगेटेड, गवर्नमेंट आल्सो मेक बेटर स्कीम, of course poverty also reduce in our country in different part of world. So this is the end of your chapter. If you have any problem, discuss with me.